Hey guys, it's Steve Hawkins from FB Social Deck, and I just want to show you a quick overview of what the FB Social Deck software actually does and how super simple it is to use. Initially on the startup screen, we've got a set of projects and a set of profiles. The projects are the Facebook accounts, and the profiles we can add to that account. Each project can be set to post to one or several fan pages that you have within your Facebook account or that your account has admin access to post to. It's really that simple. On the screen, we've got a number of options, but the main options, we've got a RSS option. We can add in RSS feeds direct in this screen, and we can post the latest items from the RSS feeds. We'll add a feed now. We add the feed, we validate the feed's valid. As you can see, it is. We add the feed in, and the feed's been added. It's really that simple. And this can be used so we can set up a schedule to run once every day, and if we choose the feed to post from, the software will check for any new posts and it will post the latest available feed item. If no feed item is available, it will post the next available feed in descending date order, but no feed item will ever be posted twice. So we close that. The system also has a set of quotes held in a database, all based on category. Let's look at the quotes. As you can see, the quotes, there's hundreds of quotes already in here. You've got several different categories. And you can post a random quote from the database from any of these categories and tag URLs to them or tag messages, images to them as well. You can also add a new category, as so. We'll call this one test one, and we can actually add in quotes. We add in single quotes or quotes from a file. Put a single quote in. This is just a test message, and also this is a second test message. As you can see, it's really simple to do. You can add in the quotes from a file if you wish to, basic text file, one quote per line. Then click save, imports all of the quotes in that text file to the selected category. So we'll just leave these two in the test category. And that's basically the RSS and quotes that's actually built into the system itself. You also have schedules. I'll show you how to set up a schedule further on in this video, but basically you can actually set a schedule, set a number of parameters in the schedule. You can modify these schedules if you wish, add a schedule so you can decide when they run, or you can cancel them in bulk, cancel them singly. It's totally up to you. Also got a post history. It tells you what we posted, when we posted it, and under which account. You can also export out your PDF any finished schedules or any schedules that are actually still running and are part finished. This enables us to give reports to our clients that we are doing admin for their fan pages on a monthly basis. Let's look at the projects. I've already set up a Facebook account, and I've set up one project under that account. As you can see, it initially obtains the access tokens for Facebook. As you can see in this screen, the options, it's again super simple to do. Nothing difficult. You've got a Facebook settings page, a schedules page, and a direct post page. Facebook settings is where we can set up what we're posting for this profile. So we can read from a text file. We can have a list of text with URLs we want to post out. Or we can just have quotes. We can have anything you want. But it takes one per line. We have read from RSS database, which is basically the feeds we've actually added in. We've got read from quotes database. So if we choose that, that's the list of quotes we looked through. We can get a sample quote in the next screen, which I'll show you. We can have an image directory, which is a folder full of images, and we can just set a schedule and go through and post different images from that folder into Facebook, or we can post a single file. What we can do as well, we can actually add comments to the text. So for example, if we're just posting an image, we can click add comment, and in here we can type in any text we want to go either before or after the image, where we could say find out more at http bbc.co.uk, for example, and this will be posted with whatever option we've actually chosen here. Not just images, we can do the quotes or RSS feeds, text files, and this is posted on every single one of the posts to Facebook that actually goes out. We've got the text file locations, folder locations, depending on the options that we choose in the post data options area. The post settings, we can set to post messages only, images, or messages and images. In the scheduler screen, we've got a start hour and end hour posting. For example, if we only want to post between 1600 hours and 2000 hours, we set these to 16 and 20, which is of course 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock. And we may want to post 3 posts. So we'll get 3 posts that go out randomly between these 2 times. And we may want to post these out 3 posts each day or 3 posts each week. And the duration is, if we want to post for 1 week, we may want to post for 3 weeks. 3 weeks between these hours, that number of posts. Like I said, it's super simple to use. Depending on what we've chosen in this area, if we chose read from quotes database, we need to choose a category in the database. For example, test 1, which we added quotes for earlier. If we choose the RSS option, we choose our RSS feed. We also have to choose the Facebook page that we want to post to. So I'll post a motivation page. You can auto reschedule this. So once it posts 3 posts a week between these hours for 3 weeks, it will auto reschedule on the last post to reinitialize the schedule after that. Again, super simple to use, super easy. The direct post option, you basically choose plain text post, which we can type the text in, click direct post, and it'll post direct to Facebook. You can choose from the quotes database, which we can take an example quote. As you can see, we can read from the RSS database, and we can post from the feed we choose. Again, we can read quotes from the database. We can even pull a test quote of the sort of quote that we'll actually receive. This is the second test message. As you can see, we can get a message, and we can just direct post. This will post a message. We can post an image, or we can post an image plus a message. Depends if we choose an image here, and it gets posted out. You just choose which page you're going to post to, and again, direct post, posted out. It really is that simple. For example, if we're going to take a RSS database, RSS feed, we'll schedule these 1 week, 3 weeks. We post in this area, this fan page. Create schedule. We'll schedule this Steve test 0309 2013. And I'll post that for the 4th and save. Creating a schedule now. It's going to take a few minutes. And as we can see, you close this down, you actually got, as you can see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is 3 posts per week for 3 weeks. As you can see, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, all by the dates. So that's how easy it is to use FB Social Deck. Anyone can use it. It's super simple to use, and you can be increasing your number of followers. You can increase the engagement with your users, and you can also dramatically increase your social signals back to your sites, and also build your edge rank within Facebook.